Evening. I am Julian Santiago Herrera. Eh, this night I talk about my five important traits. Okay, first, uh, okay, I the first time that I know the sea, uh, it was uh, 10 years ago. Okay, uh, I went to San Andres on June. Uh, the San Andres Sea is beautiful. Is very is very uh, beautiful. Uh, the colors of the sea uh, were beautiful. Uh, nice. Second, my trip to Los Llanos Orientales. Uh, that trip uh, was very hard because the temperature very hot, uh, more more uh, more 13 grades. Um, okay, uh, I know uh, I know beautiful landscapes. It that photo is Puerto Carreño, very beautiful. My trip to Medellin. Okay, uh, that trip uh, is special because uh, on 2001 night, uh, my heart was broke, and I to decide now Medellin. Uh, because the other people say to me that that city is very beautiful and special. Okay. Puente Nacional, Juni that Juni of the last year, uh, I was with my family uh, in that town. Uh, I drunk with my cousins, but it is very funny. My favorite trip, Santa Marta and Tayrona Park. The last year, uh, I went to that city and park for my birthday. Uh, I traveled alone, but I to meet several person, several people of the other countries that uh, that that was awesome. That word, sorry, that were awesome. Yes, sorry, it was awesome. Okay, okay, yes, thank you.